It's Bonnie. Happy Thursday! Oh my goodness, you guys, I am back. I've got a fall vibe going on. Oh my gosh, you guys, August 10th. And guess what today is? It is buy two, get two free candle sale at Bath & Body Works. We got to talk about this. Is it a good deal? But first, I have to share my amazing Harry Potter glasses with you. As many of you know, I got these from LensMart online. I will put the link below. If you use the code GEEKS, you're going to get 25% off. I have these in green. I have them in black. And I have them in red. I gotta say, I am totally digging these glasses. I don't know why, but these are like the most fun glasses I think I've ever owned. I actually chose, for today's video, I chose the green because I think it kind of highlights my fall outfit here. We got green, we got orange, and we got a little blue. So, Bath & Body Works sale today. We got to talk about this. It is on the 3-wick candles and the single wick. So, is this a good deal? Is this something that you want to do today? And it's kind of a yes or a no. So, of course, any candle sale is a good candle sale because you're not paying full price. But the problem with the buy to get to is, number one, you got to buy 4 candles. So if you just want 1 candle, you can't do it. You got to buy 4. And then that means you're going to pay like $52 for the set, which, you know, a lot of people don't want to pay $52. So what I'm going to do here is do my math. So on the $26.95 candles divided by 2, you're going to pay $13.47 for each candle, which isn't terrible. The $26.95 ones are worth it. We're going to go over a couple here. And then Chasing Fireflies is $29.95. Don't do that one today. The $24 candles are going to be your best bet. We're going to go through the $24 candles because $24.95 divided by 2, you're going to pay $12.47, which is actually a good deal. If you were to happen to have a 20% off coupon, which I don't at the moment, they would go even lower. So let me do minus 20% off of their $9.98. That's like Candle Day. So if you have the 20% off coupon, if you're doing the $24.95 candles, you're going to get pretty close to Candle Day prices. So that's when it's a good deal. The problem is, again, you're going to have to buy 4 candles. The other ones you're going to want to avoid like crazy are the Halloween candles because these are $36.95, which means you're going to pay, like $16. I mean, it's better than full price, but still. And then we're going to talk about matching. $36.95 divided by 2, $18.47. Oh, no. That's not good. Hold off on these for a better sale. So here is the trick. You want to do a price match. So you're going to get 4 $26.95 candles, 4 $24.95 candles. That way, when you do the buy two, get two, it's going to match off exactly, and then you're going to save the maximum on the money. So we just recently got a couple of new candles. We got Palo Santo, Whiskey Reserve, Midnight Cocktails, which, by the way, is in my bathroom. I put it in the bathroom. It looks kind of pretty in there with the Halloween decor. Cozy Cashmere, Chasing Fireflies, don't get today. That is $29.95. $29.95 for that one. The collection that I don't like, I called these the Walmart labels, but I love the collection. Oh, yeah. The Perfect Autumn, amazing candle, Leaves, Pumpkin Bonfire, Fresh Fall Morning, Apple Weather. Now keep in mind, that's an online exclusive, Harvest Pomegranate, and Fireside, which is another online exclusive, and then Fall Forest, which I have. I think there's like 8 of these. I am just okay on the labels. They just don't feel super exciting to me. Although Pumpkin Bonfire is one of my favorites. This one is White Pumpkin, a bundle of clove buds, and glowing embers. It's perfect for later fall. So the lids are nice too. So $24.95. Pick out 4 of those. That's a good deal. Fresh pumpkin vanilla creme. That showed up on the list. Harvest Gathering, white pumpkin oak. That's a good one. I feel like that's a later fall. I did get the Cool Mountain Rain. I don't love it, but it smells like a Cool Mountain Rain. It's not for me though. It's too fresh. I might return this one. And then we have, of course, our 3 Halloween candles. The Snake Midnight Spell, Moonlit Graveyard, which is stunningly beautiful, and then Everlasting Magic. But these are $36.95. I really like the smell of these. This one looks really good, by the way, on the carriage. Oops, don't mess with Greg, you guys. Do not mess with Greg. Everlasting Magic. Do not get this one today. It smells amazing, but you're going to pay like the $18 for this one, and unless you match it up with others, do a pass on that one today. So then we have our cut glass candles. We have Prickly Pear, which I need to review, Prickly Pear Sangria, Smoked Caramel Mezcal, which for some reason doesn't bother me. I don't get the beef jerky. Kind of smells good to me. Pretty labels. I didn't like these at first, but now I like them. Sweet Whiskey, Spiced Blackberry, Cedar, and Cranberry Orange Seltzer. These are $26.95. And then, of course, the Halloween candles, Ghoul Friend Vampire Blood, and I think my favorite candle of all of fall, I gotta review this one, is Pumpkin Carving. This one is delicious. It smells good. It looks good. You cannot go wrong with this one. It is the freshly carved pumpkin, spiced pumpkin seeds, and smooth brown sugar. Look at the packaging. This is one of the most gorgeous packaging styles I've ever seen. It's super glossy. It's a little bit textured. It's a little bit holographic. I love this one so much. It's kind of the same pattern as the Moonlit Graveyard. So those are a definite win, except Moonlit Graveyard you don't want to get because it's too expensive today. Let's see, what else do we have? Endless Sea, Wild Sand, any of the White Barn, Cypress and Cedar, Spiced Pumpkin and Patchouli is really good. Fall Farmhouse, Cranberry Woods, Pumpkin Pecan Waffles. I reviewed a lot of these. Oh, the coffee candle. Oops, that's not it. Where'd it go? Oh, here it is. This one is amazing. This one is just plain coffee. It smells so good. I gotta buy Lenny one of these. That was a candle that he loves so much. My husband loves this one too. I'm like, oh my gosh, it is really good though. This is just a wonderful, it's freshly brewed coffee. It's great. Apple Macchiato, another one from this collection. These are $25.95. So they're a little more than 24, a little less than 26. Let's see. Let me do the math. $25.95 minus 20%. That did not work at all. $25.95. That's why I did 20%. I'm doing divided by 2. What the heck am I doing? $12.95. Not a bad deal on those. So any of those, Pumpkin Apple in the White Barn. There's a lot of really solid fall selections out there. And, buy 2, get 2. It's not like the great single price sale, but it's not bad either, especially if you're stocking up. So I highly recommend shopping today. Treat yourself to a fall candle. I will be back in a little bit. Goose Creek Scooby-Doo collection. Oh my gosh, we got to talk about this. I am so excited. Let me know if you're shopping Bath & Body Works today. They also have today the men's care sale. I need to review. It's funny because you got to go to top offers now. This is so confusing. They used to have the offers on the homepage. $5.95 for the select men's body care, which includes Manhattan Nightcap. I got to talk about that because that is really, really good. Okay. Oh, they have the deodorant. Oh my gosh. I got to get the deodorant. Okay, I just saw that. Anyway, I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye-bye.